The Oakland Raiders.
Yeah, mic check 1, 2 when you don't stop. And it goes
The Oakland Raiders were a professional American football team based in Oakland, California. However, as of their last update in January 2022, the team had relocated to Las Vegas, Nevada, and became known as the Las Vegas Raiders. Here's some information about the team. History asterisk, the Raiders, a charter member of the American Football League AFL, they joined the NFL in 1970 of the AFL-NFL merger. The team has a rich history and has won 3 Super Bowl championships.
I got a pair of shades for every day of the week, cause I'm just fly like that.
Super Bowl 11, 15, and 18. Played in various stadiums. In Oakland, their home stadium was the Oakland Coliseum, also known as the Ring Central Coliseum, which they shared with the Oakland Athletics since their relocation to Las Vegas. Their home stadium is Allegiant Stadium, a state-of-the-art facility located near the Las Vegas Strip. Famous players asterisk, the Raiders players throughout their history, including Ken Stabler, Marcus Allen, Howie Long, Tim Brown, Bo Jackson, and many others. The team has a reputation for tough, hard-nosed play and has had several players inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Al Davis and the Raider Nation asterisk, Al Davis, team's iconic former owner, was known for his motto, just win, baby, and his commitment to excellence. The Raiders also have one of the most passionate fan bases in the NFL, known as the Raider Nation, who are known for their distinctive costumes and fervent support of the team. Community impact, actively involved in community outreach and charitable initiatives, both in Oakland and Las Vegas. They've supported various causes, including youth programs, education, and initiatives to combat social injustices. New stadium in Oakland, the team announced plans to relocate to Las Vegas in 2017. Mixed reactions from fans, but the team officially began playing in Las Vegas in 2020. Oakland, the Raiders left a lasting legacy in the city and continue to have a devoted fan base around the world. Their iconic silver and black colors and commitment to excellence remain synonymous with the franchise. Overall, the Oakland Raiders / Las Vegas Raiders have left an indelible mark on the NFL and continue to be a significant presence in professional football. Find more vlogs at https:/www.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with Beginning Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://success collaboration. God bless you.
Hello, how you doing? Who, me? I'm very well, thanks for asking. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. This is Bay Area influence. Yeah, feel that. Take that. Yeah. You see, I've been chilling out on the West Coast lately. Oakland, California.